So I want to give a really solid foundation and overview of this type of training because there's layers to it. And this is not something that we're going to add in with a brand new exercise. If your dog is learning how to do a play bow on unstable equipment, and this is their first time doing the exercise, that is not the time to add in resistance training, okay? We want to go into this program knowing that resistance band training is going to be incorporated for our dogs once they already have the behavior, the skill, the understanding of the exercise on the flat, because the resistance training is just a way for us to level up and to add some intensity and add some complexity and add more work, make it more advanced than just the exercise alone using our dog's body weight by itself. We need to have a non-restrictive sports harness. And if you have doubts about the harness that you have, let me take a look at it. Please email it to me, screenshot it, take a picture of it. Let me take a look at it because I want to make sure that we have the correct harness before we proceed with attaching any sort of resistance band to it. We're going to start with our dog in a balanced stand position, and then we're just going to ask them to go into a bow. Now, the bow, we would like for them to hold in the beginning 3 to 5 seconds, making sure that our posture alignment is where we want it. And eventually, we want to work up to a 10-second hold. Again, that's something that we're going to progressively work up to. As far as the posture alignment, I even drew an arrow here. I want to make sure that when my dog gets into a bow that we have shoulder and elbow in line. All right, this is a watch point for you.